And then let's, oh, sweet, here you are. Scroll down.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. Here we go. So this right here needs to be a little bit better. Is there a see more button here?
This is the whole thing.
Yeah, you got to make this so simple that even I can understand it. Right?
Okay. What's not simple about it?
Timbaland. Well, what's that? What's this? Timbaland?
He's a famous producer.
Okay. Will these people know him?
Yeah, for sure.
$12 for 12 beats, right? That's the headline,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Yep.
This is your sub-headline on your landing page, right?
Yes.
Then it should be your sub-headline here.
Mm.
So duplicate this ad, you'll put the main headline, then you'll put the bottom sub-headline to match your landing page for
Okay.
consistency. Then to come back here, the image instantly tells me, or the video, I mean, just seeing this, it says 5 free beats. That's, yeah, that's test something like this, please. You don't even have to show the person, just put this in there. That makes it even more scalable because now you don't have people judging or profiling or anything, right? Got it?
Okay.
And then they don't
Yeah.
say, oh, look at that guy, he made beats or anything like that. It removes judgment. It puts all the emphasis on the music itself. You have to
Yeah,
listen to
that makes
believe
sense.
it, right?
I actually do have one running like that right now, I think.
This guy,
Oh,
don't do no
actually,
diamonds. That's not gonna work. Don't do diamonds. Don't do that. All right. But
okay.
this is fine. How would you like $12? How would you like 12 beats for $12 for your next project? Question mark.
Mm.
Yes, that's a deal. That's a
Okay.
question. I
Yeah.
love asking questions at the beginning of ads because they work so well. They call out
Mm.
your audience. This is like your ad is like somebody walking up to a conversation in halfway point. Somebody walks up and you just hear
Mm.
Timberland approved one of these beats, and they're like, "What?" You know?
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
But if somebody walked up to this one, it's like, "How would you like free beats for your next project?" They're like, "Sure. Yeah, let's do it."
Mm.
It's an action.
Yeah.
This one's mid
Okay.
conversation ad. That's why I felt like you started in a weird point. Start
Mm.
with a question because I mean, this is perfect. How would you like $12 for 12 beats
Yeah.
for your next project? Hey, I go by blank, whatever your name is. Now you're introducing yourself.
Mm.
And you can, this right here, where was it? It's this right here. I saw your description. It said Wes is like a something something.
Yeah, it's about, I wrote it so long ago.
If your ads were here, I don't know why they disappeared. That's so strange. Anyways, do you know what I'm talking about? That description you had?
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
So use that. Then you can say who has worked with, if you have done anything like this, or you can say, and Timberland has approved one of these beats, if they know him, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then you can like name drop something else if you want, and many more. And then that's fine. You can rip that. Today I'm giving you $12. Today I'm giving you 12 beats for $12 to make a profit and not pay me any royalties. That one next.
Mm.
Drop the link. What's the catch? You don't need that because yours isn't free, so that doesn't make any sense.
Right.
And then that's it. Here's your beats. Yeah,
Okay.
simple.
And then I should copy the same format for the split test I'm doing where it's $27, right?
Just duplicate it and yeah, and do this thing that I'm saying.
Okay.
And
Do
do
you think
stuff that
it's
no
too low
people
ticket?
do this, do this, do this. No, I mean we're selling stuff that's $11 and making a 6x ROI on it. So I mean like no.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, it just requires you to get a much lower cost per result.
Right. Okay.
You just got to be more clear. Like even this is broken up. Get this beat, use this beat for profit. I've worked with blank. I'm now in a position today to be able to, like, I get it. I totally understand it. Spotify, YouTube, iTunes, I
Yeah.
understand that. Timberland,
He has another
I don't
one.
know. But if you name drop like Spotify, even in my ads, if you seen them, I name drop like Geico and Coca-Cola and stuff. It's something
Mm,
everyone knows. Spotify, YouTube, and
yeah.
iTunes is something everyone knows. You got to do those
Mm,
things
okay. That makes
because that
sense.
way it makes it
He has,
scalable. And then download, you can do something like that. I mean, I don't know if download's something worth testing. You can try
I
it.
have Get Offer, yeah.
Yeah, get offers good. Yeah, good offer, shop now, those things.
Mm.
You can try download if you want. And then yeah, like
He's running
see, it's
another one that's,
just do
what
something
were you gonna
that's
say?
like it's just a image with dust particles moving around or whatever the hell these little graphics are. You can just do that because it puts the emphasis on the music.
Yeah, I gotta hit up like Fiverr or something.
Yeah, when people see it, it's $12 for 12. You can just put 12
These are
beats.
all ads this dude's currently running right now.
Yeah, these are all active. He's running them. So yeah,
Okay.
these are good examples.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, because this one's direct to sale. Oh, but it's a retarget.
31 banging beats. Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's not do that because that looks like, I don't even know, this looks like a milk carton.
Yeah, it is.
I don't get it. Why would he do that?
I have no idea.
I don't think he understands what he just put it on something, but that's a milk carton. Wrong branding. Yeah, this is just a bunch of shit thrown together, but we can do better than that. But for the
Okay.
copy, it's clear. And if you remove these emojis, you can probably start beating this guy. What's another one? Just
That'd be
for,
tight.
let's see if another one
Yeah,
that's doing good.
let's do it.
See, dude, 65 beats for $20, 12 beats for 12. See what I'm saying?
Mm, yeah,
I mean, this guy's beating you on your offer, but Timberland's approved yours.
exactly.
Keep your profits.
This is a friend of mine too. We're in a
See,
mastermind
everybody's
together.
mentioning this.
He
Keep
does
your
pretty well.
profits. Keep your
Yeah,
profits.
I have that. It's just not as clear in mine.
Yeah, it's broken line item by line item. Save over blank. You can put save on the value, save over 1,000. So I'm giving you a small window to get this pack for just 12. Dude, this is a yes, 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 a million times yes.
Yeah, this dude's doing really well. Okay.
This guy doesn't even allow you to play the beats. He makes you go to the
Yeah, he
site just
doesn't.
to take a listen. That's also a good idea. It forces people to
Mm,
go check it out.
mm, okay.
Because if it starts on the wrong beat, then maybe somebody backs out. But if they go to the site,
Yeah,
now
it's
they can
true.
choose. See, look,
Mm. He
12
told me
beats for
that
$12, last chance, that's fine. Beats you can use for your mixtape, album, music videos, sell your songs on iTunes, Google Play, etc. Dude, I get that. Beats I can use for my mixtape, my albums, my music videos, my songs, I get it. It's clear.
yeah.
Get
Mm,
offer, yes, understood. The
okay.
images, I don't know, that's something you have to test. I have no idea if those are any good. What's another
Yeah,
one?
he was running a different one before, but he got ad fatigue, so he switched him.
Cool.
And he said
What's
it's
another one?
um
Nada.
oh weird. Let's try. I forget his name. It's
Once again, 7 beats for $7, 12 beats for $12, 12 unreleased beats that come with unlimited rights. And dude, just do variations of everything these people are doing. It works, right?
okay.
Otherwise, we wouldn't have
Yeah.
saw this 3 times in a row now. See
Yeah,
the
you're right.
headline? It's small and short, just like I was saying, 12 for 12, and then have your bottom one. Limited time offer. It looks like limited time offer is the best one. You get with our optimization skills, you could very well beat out all these other dudes if you just would have more competitive copy and have actual images and videos that are a little bit more tuned for everybody. So just
Yeah,
showing
I
the
could do
video of
that.
like
This dude
something.
has himself though. He's like a midget. Which
Yeah,
could be
but
good actually, because then it kind of stands out.
I have no idea. But I would stick to doing something that more universally can be applied.
Yeah, that makes
This
sense.
is going to be harder to
Okay.
scale,
Okay.
okay? Because it's too home-like.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool.
Got it? Do
Yeah,
those
I'm on
things,
it.
duplicate
Do you
the
think,
ads, make those changes. You'll be good
okay.
to go.
You think that's the biggest problem, not the optimization?
You you tell me.
I have no idea. I'm asking.
We just looked at the 3 guys that are selling in your industry. All of
Yeah,
them have
yeah, okay,
something in
sure.
common. They're all line item been broken down. This right here,
Yeah, yeah,
there's too much going on, and I didn't even understand it. And I told you that before we even looked at somebody else's ads,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
right?
Sure. Yeah. Okay, you're right.
Yeah, so fix all this.
Okay. And then duplicate it too, right? So it doesn't count as a significant edit.
Always duplicate and make these changes.
Okay.
It's got to be
Is that
more
gonna count
line
as a
items.
significant edit?
Not if you duplicate it. It doesn't matter though, because we're doing this to find better ads.
Yeah, true, true, true. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, that sounds good.
Cool. Awesome. All right.
All right, appreciate it, man. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem.